Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the dryer, then pull it forward so you can work. Put on an N95 mask and gloves because lint dust is fine and irritating. Disconnect the vent elbow at the dryer and check the duct opening. Remove the easy-to-reach lint by hand or with a short brush. Once the bulk is out, use a shop vacuum on the dryer outlet to capture remaining debris. This prevents pushing lint deeper as you continue. Now you'll clean the duct itself. Feed a flexible rod brush into the vent from the dryer end, rotating as you push so the bristles dislodge compacted lint. You may need 6-12 feet depending on run length. Make sure to vacuum at the dryer as you retract the brush to catch loosened material. Then move outside. Open the vent hood, clear debris, and vacuum there too. If you find mold or nests, remove them and note that professional service may be needed. Once clean, reconnect the vent duct to the dryer and the exterior hood using a proper clamp and foil tape to seal gaps. Do not use standard duct tape. Push the dryer back gently and restore power. Run the dryer on a timed cycle for about 5 minutes and check for strong airflow at the outside vent. You should feel a solid stream. If airflow remains weak, check for a kinked or crushed duct, excessive length, or an obstructed external hood. Those are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.